Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to use to email within Purple Mash to send an email to your pupils from a fictional character. So once you've opened to email, you'll be on this screen. I'm just going to click on switch to teacher mode up here. It will look like the same screen again, but now we're ready to compose as a teacher. So I'll click on compose there, and you'll probably see your name appear in the box there, but we need to change it. So I'm going to click on it there. Now I could choose one of these characters that it offers for me, but I'm going to go to create my own character. I'm going to call this character the mouse, and I want a picture. So I'll click on select icon. Again, I could choose one of the many ones that they have already within Purple Mash, or I can get my own image, which I'll do now. And I have saved a picture of the mouse from the Gruffalo on the internet. So there he is. Use this character. So you'll see now that the from field has your character's name. Now I need to add my children. So I'm going to go to and click the address book there and choose picture children from here. I've got lots of made up ones here. So I'm going to go for Anna, Mr. Picton, Baby Bear, Daddy Bear, and Date Access. And click add. Don't click go straight to OK. You need to click add first so they're included there. And click on OK. Once we're in there, I'm going to put a subject to my message. I'm going to go with can you help me? And write the message. It's important to get children used to the usual format of a message. So start with good morning. I'm going to a new line to say the main part of the message. Say, have you seen the Gruffalo? I want to find him, but don't know what he looks like. Please, can you describe him to me? And then finish it off with a goodbye, the mouse. I can scroll down. I could attach some work on Purple Mash or attach a picture to it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on send, and those emails have now been sent to the pupils. One thing to be careful of here, I'm going to just leave to email quickly, and that will take me back to the to email settings that you see there. If I click on that, you just want to make sure that for your class, these settings here are appropriate. So you can choose if they're Key Stage 2 or Foundation Phase. It calls it Key Stage 1 here, but Foundation Phase. And this one here, are you going to allow pupils to email other pupils without your approval? If you want to approve each message, put it on yes, no otherwise. But what you might want to do, at least to start off, is on the box allow emailing within the class, put that on no. Where it says allow email to staff members, that one you definitely do want to keep on yes, because if they reply to the mouse, the email will come to your Purple Mash inbox. You can leave the practice users as it is. Click save. There you go. That's how you send an email from a fictional character within Purple Mash.